In this video, I'm going to show you 7 different ways that you can make money online with Jasper. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn which one is right for you. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. All right, so Jasper, whatever you want to call it, is a automation tool that's going to help you do things much faster. It can help with every aspect of your business, whether it's online or offline. And so let's talk about some of the best ways that you can make money. Now, one of my favorite ways to make money is actually with social media. A lot of people are going to tell you to freelance and do some of those other things, but social media actually works out really well. So what I used to do with Jarvis or Jasper, I'll call them both, is I actually would use it to create different outlines and templates, and I would pair it with another software. So what I would do is I would use something called Vidnami. Actually, I would do 3 things. First, I would go over to a website like, I'd go over to answerthepublic.com. All right. And from here, I would type in my niche or a topic that I want to create content. For example, affiliate marketing for beginners. I'd click on this, and this is going to come back with all sorts of ideas and topics that can help you start getting some ideas and make money. And so it's going to come back with questions and comparisons, and we're just going to take a look at this real quick. How to do affiliate marketing for beginners, how to do affiliate marketing, does affiliate marketing work, how to start affiliate marketing. These are all questions that people are asking all over the internet. We can take these ideas and then plug them right into different aspects of Jarvis and create very good content. So once I get an idea from Answer the Public, I jump over to Jarvis and I would go down to video, and then I can do video script outline. And then I could do something like 5 ways to make money with affiliate marketing and let Jarvis actually come up with these different ideas. And then what I would do is I would plug it into Vidnami or Pictory, and I would actually create TikTok videos. And to show you that this is something that I've actually done recently, I'll actually pull it up and show you a few examples of the videos that I've created. All right, so here's a look at my TikTok profile. Look at this video right here. I simply grabbed information from Jarvis or Jasper, and I put it right into my, this is Pictory or Vidnami, and let Vidnami and Pictory do all the work. Now, you don't have to use this type of software. You can do it yourself, but the great thing with using Jarvis and Jasper is that Jarvis and Jasper are going to do the writing for you. They're going to come up with the ideas. They're actually going to make your life much easier. Instead of having to sit down and brainstorm, this can cut down your content creation by like 2/3. So as you can see here, this is actually done with Vidnami, as you can see, and I just went and grabbed the content from Answer the Public, then plugged it in right into Jarvis or Jasper, and then I uploaded it right into TikTok. So you can see this works. This is a good way to start building a following if you don't want to show your face. That's way #1. Way #2 is the obvious and easy way, is simply with freelancing. Now we can jump over to Fiverr.com, and most people, when they tell you to freelance, they're going to tell you to write blog posts. They're going to tell you to write maybe YouTube scripts. One better way, potential better way, is Facebook ads. All right. So you hit enter, and you're going to see there are a bunch of people there are 24,000 services, in fact, of people that are willing to write Facebook ads. I'm willing to bet that a large portion of these people are using something like Jarvis or Jasper in order to create this content. Now, the cool thing with this is you can actually come up, if we go to ads here, and we do like Facebook, we can actually come up with like 3 or 4 different examples for them to use, and we can charge them $10 or $15. Now, if you are going to get into freelancing, I recommend that you look for buyer requests. This is actually going to cut down on the number of your competition by 2/3. Okay, one example is if I just type in WordPress, and I just like to show people the power of doing buyer requests. If I type in WordPress, there are over 103,000 services. So you're going to have to compete with at least 103,000 people. But if we take a look at a buyer request that I made a few months back, and I just typed in WordPress, you can see there are only 50 people that have applied to this position. So you can see doing buyer requests, if we look here, WordPress developer, 50 offers. So if you're going to get into freelancing, do the buyer request, in order to have a buyer request, you have to create an accompanied or an associate gig over on Fiverr, but there are all sorts of opportunities within writing and translation. Again, what you'd want to do is go through, you can do, as you see, you can do Google headlines and descriptions. There's just lots of opportunities. You could even do something like, if we go back to all, you can see we can write different frameworks, product descriptions. There's lots of opportunity, and you could potentially make money. Now, this is going to be active income. You're only going to make money when you are actively working, but you can see that this is an opportunity as well. Another way to make money, and I've actually used this in the past, is simply for YouTube. Now, if I click on video here, it's going to give you some topic ideas, the script outline, video titles, hook story offer, all things that you need to create a successful YouTube video. Now, you can either do this for yourself or you can do this as a freelancer for Fiverr. This also works great for YouTube Shorts, but you can see that this is incredible opportunity. You can also do this, and this is a side note, you can also do this for Facebook groups. If you ask questions in your Facebook group, you're going to get engagement. Now, in the last video that I'm uploading as we speak, I showed you how to make money with Facebook groups. And one of the ways that you can do it is use something like Jarvis or Jasper and ask questions, figure out what your customers need, what your potential customers want, and then you can create digital products to sell them based on their needs. And it's like almost like shooting fish in a barrel. So you can see that is another opportunity as well. But back to the original thing. The cool thing with YouTube is it's semi-passive. You create the videos once and you can get paid again and again and again. And you can get paid in a number of ways. You can get paid with selling your own digital products, physical products, affiliate marketing, the YouTube partner program, the Amazon merch shelf, or excuse me, the Teespring merch shelf. You can get paid at least 7 different ways simply with your YouTube channel. So after YouTube, let's talk about digital products. Yes, you could write an entire book, and there are Facebook groups dedicated to this. Write an entire book using Jarvis or Jasper. And it's really not that difficult if you use some of the other frameworks or templates that are included. For example, you can use the blog post outline. You can use the agitate, interest, desire, framework or script. There's a tons of scripts that you can piece together. And again, there's Facebook groups out there that are dedicated to walking you through this process of writing a book in 30 days using Jasper, and you can write it on any topic as long as you guide it. So there are tons of opportunities out there. Another way that you can make money is you can actually come up with captions for Instagram or any other social media platform out there. And what you could do, if you wanted to go the Facebook group route, you could actually use the social media captions template. And my computer's frozen. You could use the social media captions template and put it into something like Integromat and then automatically upload different questions and comments to your Facebook group. And that would actually be passive because it's not hands-on. Another way that you can use Jarvis or Jasper to make money is simply with the site Quora. Now, Quora is a question and answer site that people come to ask and answer basic questions. Now, what you can do is you can use one of the templates or frameworks to help you write and answer questions. Now, what you'd want to do is come up here and type a topic. For example, we're going to type in affiliate marketing, and we can find questions that people are asking about affiliate marketing. So we go affiliate marketing like this, hit search, and we can answer all of these questions in about a third of the time. Now, the way that you answer questions on Quora is almost like writing a blog post. You want to make sure that you have an introduction, you have a body, and then you have some sort of, obviously, information, and then a call to action. But what you can do is you can send people to a landing page to collect their email address. You can send them to a YouTube channel or even a blog post about a topic. So what you do here is on Quora, you're going to change this to maybe the past week, and you're going to see a bunch of people answering questions about affiliate marketing. You're going to answer those questions. Now, I do have a complete video that shows you an easy way to find low competition questions on Quora. Go check that one out if you want to make this a career. But you can see people are asking questions about affiliate marketing within the past week. You simply click on one, you answer the question, and then provide a link to a landing page, provide a link to a YouTube channel or a blog post. You cannot directly link to an affiliate offer. That will get you banned, but you can use Quora. And the cool thing is Jarvis actually has a Quora template. I think it's under social media. There we go, Quora answers. But I personally like using the blog post one because you actually will get a longer answer. So Quora can be a great way. Another way to make money is with email marketing. Now, as you know, I'm a huge fan of email marketing. It allows you to make much more money because you can collect emails and you can market to your target audience again and again and again. However, one of the drawbacks of email marketing is coming up with things to say all the time. And what you can do is you can use any one of these scripts to actually help you write emails. I've actually used the AIDA method to write and sell via email marketing. You can use the cold email script. You can even use the blog post script if you want to help give you inspiration and ideas. What you can do is you can find content improvers. There's just so many different ways that you can use this to write emails that it can help you make a ton of money. You can even just use this for an outline and then fill in the outline with your own words. Lots of opportunities, but you can use this simply with email marketing. The next way that you can make money with Jarvis is by starting a blog. Now, a blog is basically a website where you write on different topics within a niche. For example, if we look at my blog here, alstongodbolt.com, I write about affiliate marketing. And what you can do, and what I've done, is either do it yourself or hire someone to write on these different affiliate programs. And this is exactly what I've done, is I've hired someone to write on these different affiliate programs using Jarvis and Jasper. And what you can do and how you can make money with this is actually with Google AdSense, the ads that show up throughout the blog post, with affiliate marketing, selling your own digital or physical products, selling merchandise, all of the ways that I've mentioned throughout this video. You can package them up and sell them right through your blog or website. You can also use your blog or website to help grow your YouTube channel or grow any other social media platform that you want and potentially make even more money. And the final way that I like to make money is simply with affiliate marketing. Now, every way that I've mentioned, whether it's with Quora, TikTok, Facebook groups, a blog, YouTube channel, even selling digital products, you can incorporate affiliate marketing into this. For example, if you're selling an ebook on affiliate marketing, you can include affiliate links to the tools that you use, for example, like ClickFunnels or SEMrush, and you can make even more money simply doing that. So just to run through it real quick, we've got freelancing through websites like Fiverr, Upwork, People Per Hour. You can start a blog, you can start a YouTube channel, selling digital products, Quora, email marketing, and of course, affiliate marketing. Now that you know the 7 different ways that you can make money with Jarvis, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.